Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Freeman Feeling Beautiful Deep Clearing Manuka Honey and Tea Tree Oil Clay Mask and Cleanser. Quite a mouthful. So this is for oily or breakout skin and instantly deep cleans and absorbs oil without over drying. It's a dual action mask, which just means that it's a clay mask and a cleanser. It's a mask and it's gonna clean your face, I guess. Like I said, this is for oily or breakout prone skin specifically, so if you have like dry skin, I wouldn't use this because it is going to be a little drying. It's going to dry your skin out just a little bit. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. So this says that to indulge in a delicious treat for your skin with this multi-action clay mask and cleanser. Manuka Honey helps deliver patent healing properties to nourish skin. Tea tree oil helps to purify pores and control oil with its antibacterial properties. Perfect for oily, breakout-prone skin. And the directions may be used as a daily cleanser or mask. For a mask, apply over dry, clean face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. No more than 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Discontinue use if irritation or redness occurs. And then for the cleanser, if you're going to use it as just a cleanser, it doesn't have instructions for that, but I would imagine you would just use it as any other cleanser. I've not used it as a cleanser, but if I did, I would probably apply it to like wet face. I don't know if it would foam in that case. It's really interesting. I'll have to use it as a cleanser. I should have used it as a cleanser before I did this review, but I don't know, I just did it. I do use it as the mask, which I really like. It's a clay mask, so the consistency, it's not like a gel. It's not really foamy either. It's kind of hard to describe the consistency because it's not quite like clay, of course. That'd be weird to apply like actual clay type of stuff to your face. But it is thicker and not as runny as a gel, but it's also not super sticky. It's probably the best way that I can think of to explain it. I mainly got this product to try it because of the Manuka Honey, because I know that honey is really great for your skin. There are quite a few like home remedies for like acne and things like that that you can make that contain honey. I'm trying to think of a specific one. I had it in my mind and I forgot it. I think it's like honey and baking powder, or no, I don't know, I don't remember, but Manuka Honey is supposed to be really, really great for your skin. And I have combination skin, so like part of my skin is like around my T-zone sometimes it's really oily, sometimes it's really dry. It kind of just depends on like the weather, the time of year. Like in the winter it tends to get really dry, but in the summer it's super oily. So this has become my go-to mask for like the summer. And it's true when it says that it's not over drying. It's like the perfect balance between drying but also leaving some oil in my skin, because you don't want to like get rid of all of the oil in your skin. I think at least I prefer like a nice dewy look to my skin, so I do want some oils left to be on my skin, but I want the good oils to be left on my skin, and I don't want it to be too much. And this mask, because I feel like has found a really great balance of that. It also smells pretty good. It's kind of a really strong scent, I think, because of the tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has kind of like, it's not really minty, but it's kind of like in that family of fragrances, I guess. So the tea tree oil makes the scent much stronger, and then the honey does tone it down just a little bit with like the sweetness of it, but it is kind of a stronger scent. It's on the stronger side sense. I do wish, like, I think the main reason I haven't used it as a cleanser is because if I was going to try using it as a cleanser, I'd want to use it like as a daily cleanser, and it comes in just these packages, which is a one-time use. So you open the package, you use all the product that's in it, and then you throw it away, and then the next day you'd have to get a new product. So I think that's the main reason. I think that if they're going to sell it as a double type of like, it has two different uses and one of them is a daily cleanser, it should really come in like a bottle or a tub or something that allows you to have more than one time use. So that's like my main complaint, is I wouldn't want to get, like, if I'm going to use this every single day, I'm going to have to buy 7 every single week, which is like insane. Who wants to buy something? Like, it should be able to, they either should sell it in bulk so you can get a package of like 10 of them or something, or they should sell it in like a tub or a tube or a bottle where you just squeeze out a little bit. You just use a little bit of the product each day and it lasts for a little while. That's my main complaint with this, but as far as like the product itself and how it works on my skin, I really like it. I think it does also help with my breakouts. I don't get too many breakouts, but every now and then I do, and when I like see something popping up, I'll use this face mask, and it usually doesn't get too bad. Like the next day, the redness and swelling has gone down in that area, and it doesn't really become like a really huge problem. So yeah, overall I would highly recommend this product, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.